What is the average electrician salary in Azerbaijan? The average electrician income in Azerbaijan is around 5,400 US dollars a year. That is average annual gross salary, but after tax, it drops to $4,500, which leaves you with roughly $375 a month in take-home pay. While those are nationwide figures, an electrician in Baku brings home about $5,300 after tax, so big cities pay noticeably more. Outside the capital, pay is lower, but living costs are lower too, which is why your money goes further there. On top of that, an entry-level electrician pay starts well below the average, though it goes up quickly during the first few years before it plateaus. Having a university degree is not required for basic work, but it helps a lot if you want to advance into higher-paying positions, like electrical engineer or project manager. Specializing in high-voltage systems or industrial equipment adds to your skill set, so you can earn even higher electrician wages over time. How much does an electrician make in Azerbaijan depends on these extra skills, but taking on extra responsibilities is the best way to boost your average electrician pay.